Good morning, students. So let's continue our partnerships chapter. Yesterday we had seen two methods of calculating the interest on drawings, that is the simple method and product method. Today we would be seeing how would we calculate interest on drawings if interest is drawn on monthly basis. So in this case we will be having three cases. So let's start the class. So take down the next side heading. Interest on monthly drawings. Under that write down, when a partner makes monthly drawings, the interest may be calculated as follows. Under that case 1, when drawings are made in the beginning of the month. So what does this case mean? If the drawings are made at the beginning of every month, say your financial year is March 2020. So your year started on 1st April 2019 to 31st March 2020. In this case, we have made drawings at the beginning of each month. That is 1st April, 1st May, 1st June, 1st July. So, the formula for this method will be, write down in the next line, average period is equal to time left from the first drawing plus time left for last drawing divided by 2. So, what will be the time left for the first drawing? If I withdrew it on 1st April, for 31st March, how many months are remaining? 12 months. So, time left from the first drawing is 12. Time left for the last drawing will be how much? I withdrew it on 1st March and my year closes on 31st March. So, how much month is remaining? 1. So, time left for the last drawing will be 1 divided by 2. So, we get 6.5 months. This is how we calculate when drawings are made at the beginning of every month. Take down case 2. When drawings are made at the end of every month. So, in this case what happens? The drawings will be made at the end of every month. Say it will be 30th April, 31st May, 30th June, 31st July and so on. We are withdrawing the money at the end of every month. So under that the formula will be, write down, average period is equal to time left from first drawing plus time left from last drawing divided by 2. So how much time is left from the first drawing? We will withdraw it on 30th April. So April month will not be calculated. May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, Jan, Feb, March. So 11 months. When it was beginning of the month it was 12 months because we included April as well. And what will be the time left for last drawing? The last withdrawing we would be doing on 31st March. So, is any time left? No. So, it would be 0 divided by 2. That is 5.5 months. So, what is the difference between case 1 and case 2? In case 1, we are withdrawing it on the first of every month. Whereas in case 2, we are withdrawing at the end of every month. So in case 1, time left from the first drawing will be 12 months. Why? Because from 1st April to 31st March we would be calculating. But in case of case 2, it will be only 11 months because April will not be included. Write down third case. When drawings are made at the middle of every month. So middle of every month, what would it be? 15th April, 15th May, 15th June, 15th July and so on. So in this case, how would we calculate it? Write down in the next line. Average period is equal to time left for first drawing plus time left for last drawing divided by 2. So from first drawing, how much time is left? We will calculate it from 15 April to 31st March. How many months? 11 and a half months. So it is 11.5. And time for last drawing will be, we will calculate it from 15 March to 31st March. It is how much? 0.5 divided by 2. So we will get 6 months. So in an easy way for you to remember, at the beginning of the month, there will be 6.5 months. At the end of the month, it will be 5.5 months. And in the middle of the year, it will be 6 months. So let us work out one example so that you would understand it in a better way. Take down illustration 26. A, B, C are partners in the firm. You are informed that A draws 10,000 from the firm in the beginning of the month. B draws 10,000 from the month at the end of the month. C draws 10,000 from the firm in the middle of the month. Interest on drawings is to be charged at 8% per annum. Calculate interest on partners drawing. So you need not write the formula again and again. You can just write the formula once, that is average period is equal to time left for first drawing plus time left for last drawing divided by 2. So let us see case 1. Next line write down. Case 1. If drawings are made at the beginning of every month, so what have they given in the problem? A withdraws 10,000 in the beginning of every month. So in the next line you will be writing average period is equal to 12 plus 1 divided by 2, that is 6.5 months. After this, in the next line write down interest on the whole amount will be calculated for 6.5 months. Under that next line, interest on drawings is equal to, so what is the monthly drawing of A? 10,000. So how much it would be? 10,000 into 12, that is 1,20,000 is the amount withdrawn. Rate of interest is 8%, 8 by 100. And what is the average period? 6.5 by 12. So how much do we get? Rupees 5,200. Next, what is the case 2? B draws 10,000 from the month at the end of every month. So write down case 2. If drawings are made at the end of every month, under that next line, average period is equal to 11 plus 0 divided by 2. How much is it? 5.5 months. In the next line write down interest on whole amount will be calculated for 5.5 months. So how much is it? Next line, interest on drawings is equal to 1,20,000 into 8 by 100 into 5.5 by 12. That is rupees 4,400. Clear? Last one they have given. if drawings is made in the middle of every month. So write down case 3. If drawings are made at the middle of every month. Next line, average period is equal to 11.5 plus 0.5 divided by 2, that is 6 months. Next line, write down, interest will be calculated for 6 months. Next line, interest on drawings is equal to 1,20,000 into 8 by 100 into 6 by 12. How much is it? Rupees 4,800. So this is how we work out the problem on interest on monthly drawings. In tomorrow's class, we will be seeing how do we work out the problems on interest on quarterly drawings. So that's all for today. Thank you.